everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's see how to feed a budgie chick. Come, let's go. The things required are hand feeding formula, a bowl, a syringe of 3 mm or 2 mm, a spoon and some hot water. Put a half teaspoon of the formula into the bowl. Pour some hot water and mix it well without lumps. Make sure there is no lumps. Now the mixture is ready. The consistency should be neither thin nor thick. Make sure that the temperature is between 39 to 41 degrees Celsius. Now here we are introducing our pet Choco and Cookie. See how gorgeous they are. This is a 15 days old budgies chick. We have kept it in the pot with some wood chips to make it comfortable. See, our little hearts are waiting for their food. For 15 to 20 days old chick, 2 ml is enough. Make sure there is no air bubbles in the syringe. Feed the baby chick as slow as you can. Never ever feed the baby chick faster. It may cause death. See how beautifully it's getting its food. Don't press the chick too hard while feeding them. See now, the crop is full, so stop feeding the chick to prevent overfeeding. Come on, now let's feed the second baby. After sucking the food into the syringe, wipe the mouth of the syringe. Oh my god, the baby is very hungry. You must feed the chick every 3 hours once. Every day, the feeding should start at 6 am and follow 3 hours once. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and ring the bell. See you in the next video.